Today's Ask Me Anything is from Blake in Colorado. She writes, I like eating candy. I just can't stop myself from snacking on M&Ms and gummy bears once or twice a day. How can I still satisfy my sweet tooth and prevent dental problems?
That's a great question. Is sugar addictive? There's a question right there. Absolutely. The scientists did a study where they actually got mice or rats addicted to sugar and addicted to cocaine. And then they gave the rats or the mice the option of choosing which one are you going to go to, the sugar or the cocaine. Guess which one they went to? It was the sugar. It's addictive. We really want this stuff. How do you go about it? Well, you almost have to go through a 3-step or 12-step program, I think, sometimes to get off of this. I have plenty of willpower. I just don't have a lot of won't power. So when someone hands me a thing of M&Ms, it's so easy to say yes, but it's harder to say no. But that's better for our health if we can do that. So there's not an easy answer. I wish there was an easy. If there was an easy answer how we could do that, we'd have a country full of healthy people. But we don't. We have a people that are addicted to sugars. And so if we can get ourselves off of those sugars, pretty soon we don't want the cravings. Earlier on in my career, believe it or not, I was in really good physical shape. I used to teach aerobics. I was in great shape. And when I was in there, I didn't want the sugars. I didn't want the candies. I didn't want the cookies. I didn't want that. It's not that I had to fight it. I didn't want it. And I think that if we can get ourselves back to that point where we just don't want it, I'm afraid there's no shortcut. You have to go through the steps. There's no shortcut on that. But that's the best answer I can come up with that. How do you become unaddicted to something? And it's not easy. It's not easy.
Thank you, Dr. Chuck.